Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is July 12th, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. You can see our awards, an honor roll, top 10 market awards from Timer Digest, as well as our disclaimer there. Let you guys know about our subscription service. You can see our annual and monthly. We added the video on demand. We have Bitcoin, GameStop, also classic crashes report, and any requests you want. We also added a YouTube discount. You get 10% off any subscription. Type in the discount code of YouTube, as you see there. And then we also have a contest. Guess the closing price of the S&P at the end of July, and you win 30-day free subscription to all of our services. So you can see all of that there. Get all that done. We also want to let you know you can find all that here under subscriptions, annual, monthly, the video on demand, and you can compete for free in the monthly contest. And before I forget, I want to thank you guys in advance for subscribing to the channel. Hit the reminder bell so you get the alerts, and the like button. And since the like button doesn't like to show up, we have a big picture of it here. It's down there. It looks like that. Okay, this is a short-term update. I wanted to give you guys some during the trading day. It's not quite 2 hours in yet as I'm doing this, but wanted to catch you guys up on the short-term wave count with the S&P and Tesla. First of all, with the S&P, this is a 5-minute chart. You can see this high here was near our turn date on July 6th, turn date of July 2nd. We had a holiday week in there, so that top missed by a tick or an hour or 5 minute, whatever you can call that tick. And what we had from there into the low on the 8th was an expanded flat. We had an A down, a B up, where B goes above the start of A, which is here, and then a C down, which goes below the low of A or the start of B. So an inverted flat, an A, B, C, and then that should be followed by 5 waves up. And you can see we're making, or the S&P is making those 5 waves there. So we can do a little Fibonacci extension here and see what we're going to get as far as these 5 waves up before we see the next pullback. Again, this is very short-term analysis. We're looking at a 5-minute chart here. And you can see, let me label this here. Well, you can see there is 1, there is 2, 3 was a perfect 1.618 multiple right here. It's overshot it a little bit. You can see that target was 43.73. It's at 43.79 now. Don't expect it to go too much higher. Let's put in the 2.618 just to see what the next Fibonacci target would be if it would go higher. And that would be significantly higher on a 5-minute chart, all the way up over 4,400. Anyway, that's if it expands even further. But if that is the top of 3, we can expect a pullback at 4. Let me label these for you guys. Again, this is very short term, 5-minute chart. And that should be 1, 2, 3. We'll get a pullback for 4, and we'll throw 5 there. And let's move the starting point back to the beginning down here. There we go. Okay, and there is our wave count. Okay, if that is 3, and it still could go higher, but it just overshot the 1.618 by a little bit there. So in the near term, if we get a pullback here, we can look at the 382 is 43.52, the 50% is 43.43, and the 618 is 43.34, which wouldn't quite close the gap, but interestingly enough, a 786 Fibonacci retracement goes right where the gap was, okay? And of course, if that goes higher, this could change. So expect 4 anywhere from 43.52 to 43.21. We'll set it right there now, and that should be followed by a wave 5 higher than the wave 3 high. We put out an alert this morning to our monthly subscribers, and the chart here, it shows everything there. There was that opening high on 7.6. We had an A down, B up, C down, expanded flat, and there is wave 3 expanding, and it went further than that as of this morning's open. Also want to show you guys our Fibonacci time spiral. You can see, I want to go to detail all this, but this is caught virtually every turn. The next turn date is 7/26 in the S&P, and ironically or not, and there are no coincidences, the next turn date in the NASDAQ is 7/26. So since this has been marking high after high after high, I wouldn't be surprised if the next high is on July 26th or July 27th, right near there. So we'll watch how that plays out over the next couple of weeks, okay? So that's the S&P. Let's look at Tesla, because some interesting things are happening here in Tesla. This is an hourly bar from the all-time high in January. By the way, the Dow made an all-time high in May. The S&P and NASDAQ just recently, and a lot of stocks like Tesla, its all-time high of 900 is back in January. A lot of other ones are in February. Some are around this April 14th, B-wave high. So while the market is moving up, most stocks are not making new highs, just a few. But most of the stocks that most of the people own are going down. Anyway, get back to Tesla here. We have an A wave down, which is 5. We're expecting 5 down, 3 up, and 5 down. Okay, there's a chance that this could be done here. We looked at that possibility, and we're starting a new impulse wave to the upside. You can see wave C again gains equality with wave A at 418. Okay, but some interesting things have been going on here, and we're looking at the possibility of A being 1, B being 2, 3 being here, a sideways 4, and then a 5 to have a direction change, 5-wave impulse in a new direction. But that didn't quite materialize, and the move down here has made that look like that wouldn't be a 1, because I hope I'm not losing people here, because that would be a 4, and 4 can't go lower than 1. Okay, so all of this here, let me get in a little bit tighter, and you can see I've left the Fibonacci retracements up there. Okay, this here is a little bit hard to decide, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 waves, which is corrective. Okay, so this can't be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unless I'm counting it wrong. So we'll see. As it stands now, this move down has been corrected right at the 786. The main thing is the key make or break points to decide which way Tesla is going. Okay, and a move above this high, which is right at 700 here, back on July 2nd, would make it seem like it's going higher. Okay, conversely, a move below first this low, this make or break of 620, and subsequently, let me get back in here, this low would be a huge make or break, and that is that May 19th low of 546. So this is still playing out. It's still a little bit uncertain. We eliminated one bull market count. We had 3 counts, but today's gap up, not coincidentally, right to the 786 and a pullback. We'll see, but we got to watch that 700 level is a key make or break. A break of that, and we may end up going up here to the April 14th high. I want to let you guys know that this still could be an ABC developing, okay? And I want to show that to you guys right here. This could be A down, and I want to show you guys this here. Okay, this correction could still be in play, this ABC for the larger B wave, okay? And that's the larger B wave, and that's there, okay? So this could still be an A up, a B down, and a C up, and a basic double top around here. Okay, let's get that Fibonacci retracement in here. Like I said, while one of those bull counts were eliminated, we had 3. Okay, you can see there. There's the 618 at 764. And the 786 is at 824. But we've got on this count, we have an A up, a B down, and then possibly a C up, which would probably be a double top, because we have a near double bottom here. It might go right short of it, just short of the, what is that high there? 760. Okay, so we move that around to show the alternate count there. Watch our make or break levels. They're going to tell us right here. that 700 where it bounced off this low down here, which is right at 620, and then this subsequent low here. By the way, we get above 700, we're looking at a double top here around, again, what was that number? I got 780 right there. So few things still in play. We'll watch how Tesla plays out. Let's take a peek back at our S&P here. You can see there we'll be looking for that fourth wave probably today, and then a 5 up to complete another 5 waves to the upside. We'll reassess from there. Okay, you guys, thank you again, and until next time, take care, everyone.